Section 9.4, Example 5 on page 716, we have on a graphing calculator, you can find the sum of a finite series by using commands from the list menu. Example 5 says, what is the sum of the series written in summation notation? We have the sum of 5n plus 3 from n equals 1 to n equals 70. This is actually the same problem from Example 4 Part A. However, we're going to look at how to do it on a graphing device instead of by hand. If you go to the Desmos graphing calculator, you can actually type this right in and it'll give you the sum right away. Here's how you do this on Desmos. You start by going to functions, which is way over here. So click functions. It'll usually start you over here in like trig, and then you can click over to miscellaneous, and down at the bottom there is the summation symbol. Once you click that, you get n equals blank, and you can go ahead and just plug in 1, and then you can click on the box above and plug in 70. Once you plug in 70, you can just click in front of the summation symbol and start typing in your explicit formula. So we have 5, click ABC to get n, go back to 1, 2, 3, plus 3, and then it will give you your final answer. So that's how you can use Desmos to get 12,635. If you're using an actual graphing calculator, you can use these steps. To input the sum command, you go to Math and choose 5 for sum, then you input the sequence. So we're going to use a sequence, then you input what the sequence is, the explicit formula, so that'll be 5n plus 3. You're going to input n, because we're using n as our variable, and you start at 1, end at 70. So this is how you would do this on a typical graphing calculator. Now I would like you to try number 8. Use a graphing calculator or Desmos to find the sum of each series. We have the sum of n cubed minus 10n squared from n equals 1 to n equals 20.